In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, having an intuitive and visually appealing navigation menu is essential for guiding your visitors smoothly through your content. Let's go through this together step by step. First, we're going to start by accessing the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, make sure you use your credentials to sign into your Wix account. Once you're in, navigate to the website editor. It's your main workspace where everything from design elements to content is assembled. Now that we're in the editor, let's focus on adding elements to your site. You're going to want to find the option in the sidebar called Add Elements. Click on this and you'll be presented with a variety of options to enhance your site. This is where the magic starts. Our focus today is on the navigation components. Under the Add Elements section, you'll see an option labeled Menu and Anchor. Go ahead and click on that. Wix provides several pre-designed menus that you can choose from, which will save you time and give your site a professional look. Now, it's time for you to select a menu that suits your needs. Browse through the options and find one that matches the style of your website. When you find a menu option you like, simply click to add it. Remember, the design of your menu can impact the overall feel of your site, so choose wisely. With your menu in place, let's move on to customizing it to fit your site's unique requirements. Click on the Manage Menu option. Here you'll find various settings that allow you to change the navigation, layout, design, animations, and effects of your menu. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Adjust the layout to make it more spacious or compact. Play with the design to ensure that it's visually cohesive with the rest of your site. Adding animation or effects can also make your menu stand out and become more engaging to users. Take your time to explore these customization options. Each change you make serves to enhance the user experience, making your website not just a page, but a journey for your audience. Experiment and test different combinations until you feel everything aligns perfectly. And that's it. You've now successfully added and customized your navigation menu in Wix Studio. By following these steps, you should have a functional, stylish navigation menu that helps your visitors find what they need with ease. Keep in mind that a clear and easy to navigate site is key to keeping visitors engaged. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building.